I am a dear sweetie! Hey sweetie, we love baby.
When I get you with the jabata, I know get time, I did that, that cover my face.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday. I didn't talk to you guys all of yesterday. Water is life, guys. Chill. So I got my nails done yesterday. There we go. You cannot tell me I didn't get my nails done at the salon. Like, even the way it is, bruh, like, I love it so much. You guys, so I just want to hear your opinion on this, right? I was talking to my friend the other day, and I told him how I don't like short guys. Oh my god, my skin looks so good. I've been getting so much compliments on my skin lately. Insane. But anyways, I was talking to my friend the other day, and I was telling him how I don't like short guys. Like how I wouldn't date a short guy or anyone, but he has to be tall. He was telling me that when I meet the right man, I said the right man better come fully tall. He better be tall, friend. So he was like, oh, that love. I said love has nothing to do with height. Like, friend, I don't want to hear it. Like, no. So I see this TikTok. I don't remember if it was a Madame Joyce or Adiola Patrol. And then it was an interview. And they were talking, and then she was like, the interviewer was telling them that, there's this guy, he's cute, and she was like, is he tall? I said, my girl, I know that's right. And then she was like, no, he's not, but like, he has money. She's like, is he tall? Is he tall? She's like, no. I was like, no, ma'am. I said, yes. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know about anybody else, but I really like my man tall. Every guy I've dated has always been taller than me. I cannot be physically attracted to someone who I'm taller than, because I don't want to be kissing anyone down. I don't want to be kissing down on anyone. I want to be kissing up. But let me know. Like, it was just a very interesting conversation. And I'm just like, I'm gonna ask you guys, like, let me know, like, what do you think? Would you date someone who is taller than you? Or no, are you okay dating someone who's shorter than you? Or you have to date someone who's taller? Let me know in the comment section, because this conversation really bothered me. I mean, it didn't bother me, but I'm just like, I wonder what other people think. So you guys are my other people, so let's get talking. Because friend, I will not do it. I cannot be attracted to you in any way, shape, or form. I think you're cute. Like, I know people who like, oh my god, he's so pretty, like he's a cute boy. But baby, if you cannot chin me, what are we doing? Anyways, I'm going to eat my food now, and I'll see
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair
any flavor. Oh, honey and lemon. It's the most intensive. Thank you very much. How about this intensive? I mean, my throat is pretty gone, Sha, and it hurts.
This
Okay. It doesn't look like a long time for you, but it's been like a week since I last vlogged. You guys, I came here to rant. Basically, tell me why. So my friend invited me for this event, FemFest, and tickets have been paid. Like, she paid for our tickets and all of that. On the ticket website thing, it said it was a 2-day event. So you know how it's like a GT Co, right? So like Saturday, Friday, Saturday, something like that. So he said it was 2 days. So we're like, oh, okay, we're going to be busy on Friday, so we'll go on Saturday. Today is Saturday, and the event happened yesterday. Apparently it was just a 1-day thing. I felt so bad. Like, I feel so bad. I had already planned out my content. I had already planned out the vlog. I was so excited to film the vlog. Like, I knew like Yobe was going to be there, Mary Colette was going to be there. I was really excited. Yo, it's not cute. But my friend was like, we shouldn't even dip it like that. I'm like, I'm looking dipping it because I was really excited. I haven't been out in months and I was really looking forward to this. And then they come and pull the wrap off underneath my feet. Yo, I'm doing a face mask, chat, because the period is coming next week. So the face has been breaking out. Yo, I don't know what's about, but yeah. So I just wanted to do a little TLC for that. Then I did some laundry like 2 days ago at this point. And I haven't folded them. Eh, don't judge me. Yo, I haven't folded them. I'm looking at them right now. So we're gonna do this. Then I also took out the trash. So that's lovely. I need to replace the bin liner though. And then we'll make my bed. My friend is coming over. Or at least they said we're gonna come over. But if not, I don't know. Yo, I was editing this vlog. Tell me what it's looking like in what I eat in a week. I said, girl, why are you always cooking? But yeah, I just thought that was funny. Because I'm either cooking, I'm either eating. I'm like, Sana, that's a lot. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a recap of the week. Because I know I said it's been a week, right? So, on Saturday, my friend actually came to surprise me, and then they brought me like ice cream and cookies. Now, first of all, I'm sorry this is a bit long, but we have so much catching up to do here. So I'm someone who, I don't like people showing up at my door unannounced. It's like, what do you want? I'm not owing you money, don't come to my house. But clearly I make exceptions for some people. Because I got a knock on my door. I said, I'm not expecting anyone. So Sana, who is at my door? And then I open and I see, I'm just like, what are you doing here, friend? I was so shocked because I never expected them to come. But I was so happy that they were here. I was so happy. And I was like a little geeking girl. I said shit. Then I got a cold. Oh, I think it's a throat infection, Sana. But I just know that a few days ago I woke up. No, before I went to bed, I couldn't sleep. I kept tossing and turning, and finally I went to bed. Then I woke up in the morning and yo, I was sick. Like, I was nauseous, I was dizzy, my throat was sore, what. So we went to a pharmacy to get something for my sore throat, which I think I've looked at. And so I've been taking it and I feel better. And then I was happy for the film fest thing to happen. And now it's not happening anymore. So yeah. Okay, I think that's it, right? I think that's it.